Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in my shop working on my wife's 1974 Volkswagen SuperBeetle. So what we got going on today is we want to change the oil and get this thing ready for storage for the winter. If you get a chance before we get started, hit that like, subscribe, bell for notifications. All right, let's take a look at what I got to get this project going. All right, so step one is going to be to add some fuel stabilizer for the winter. And then once we get that in, we're gonna finish topping off the gas tank. I like having a full tank of gas for winter storage. This way there's no condensation that has any space to develop within the gas tank. So we're gonna add some fuel stabilizer first and then top it off. This way I get a real good mixture. And then I'm gonna get it running. This way I get that fuel stabilizer through all the fuel lines and all the way back through the carburetor. We'll get it warmed up, and then we'll drain the oil. And for the oil change, I've got the Valvoline VR1 Racing and Classic Cars 20W50. I've got our new strainer and a gasket set. 1/4-inch drive, 10mm socket, and just a screwdriver in case any of the old gasket is stuck on the pan. So, all right, let's dig into this. We gotta take this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's get those off. Okay, put the gasket here, or one. Maybe we can just pull that gasket off for now. And we've got the filter or strainer, whatever you want to call it. Such a messy dang job. Come on now. Oh, got her. I'll let that kind of drain out, and then we'll show you what this looks like. And then we still got a gasket on here that needs to come off. Whoop. Broke it. Oh no. Okay, so we got this all cleaned up. Ready to open up our new gaskets and our new filter, or strainer, excuse me. No, the old one doesn't look that bad actually. There's a couple pieces that are full of crud, but nothing you couldn't use an air hose to blow out. That's part number. The strainer came in. Alright, let's crawl back under there. Try not to get all full of oil, but no guarantees. Oh, I see. That does just go up on there, I guess. Just talking to myself, don't worry about it there, YouTube. Stay up there now, gasket. Be nice if I had a oh, there we are. There we are. Oh. Okay. There we are. All right. And this. Okay, now just tighten them in a star pattern. Just like you would a tire. And you don't want them super tight. It's a brass washer. Verify they're all good. All right, let's Let's get about 2.5 quarts of oil into this thing. Add another 1/2 quart. I think it's 2.6 quarts. That's exactly it, but let's see where we're at there. Where are we? There we are. Just under the line. There we are, right at the middle line. All right, thanks for tuning in today. That's how I changed the oil in the 74 Volkswagen Bug SuperBeetle, my wife's. I'm not saying it's right, wrong, or indifferent. It's just the way I do it. We got that fog, we got fuel stabilizer in there. We're ready to let this sit. I've got the battery tender on there. So come spring, we'll be able to fire it right up. So anyway, thanks for tuning in today. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video.